Pay-per-click is expensive. It's an alternative. It's a way to get fast results quick. Well, it's a fast way to get results. It's a way for you to be able to build a campaign and be able to see almost like instant results overnight. It takes about a week to be able to do. When you do local SEO, it takes a little bit longer, but you're not paying per click. You're not paying per transaction. You're not paying for any of that. You pay for the tool. Whatever you get from the tool, you're going to end up getting. I prefer organic local SEO than I do pay per click. I would rather spend less, be able to grow my business without having to spend a ton of money to be able to do so. But I'm cheap like that. And I like to be able to get organically up there because I don't have to pay for that position. I don't have to pay for the #1 slot on Google or the #1 slot on Bing. And I can naturally get myself there. You also have a lot of people who end up skipping over the ads and go straight to whatever organically comes up, especially the local search results. If you go through a local search result, that's what it's going to look like. On mobile, it's going to look like this. And when you look at it, it's really super simple. That's the area that you're going to go to. You're going to click on it. You're going to look at the reviews. You're going to look at the questions and answers, and you are going to make your decision based on that. Most people, when they're getting a quote, if you're a service area business, they're going to quote, get anywhere between 1 and 3 quotes before they make their decision. Well, you want to make sure you're in the spot of 1 to 3 on a Google search or a Bing search, or if they're on mobile, they might only get one option if they do a voice search. So it's one of those things to where pay-per-click can be super expensive. Organic local SEO can replace your pay-per-click or replace a lot of your pay-per-click. So you're not having to spend buku bucks on those ad results as you're doing it. It also gives you lots of content and builds your brand to where you are naturally always going to be coming up as you continue to go through it. And it's a lot harder for your competition to take you out. It's not one of those things where they can take you out by outbidding you on your click. I've seen that over my years, and I believe in local SEO more than I believe in pay-per-click. And this is kind of a rundown of why. Check us out, simplybefound.com.